Past lives could never hold me down. Lost love, spirit when it's finally found. I've got the strangest feeling.
Bye.